Hi there, I'm Javon, Junior Ops Manager at In Cart Upsell, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your first offer. But before we do so, you need to first run our Setup Wizard tool. We have a separate video for that, so I'll be just showing you how to locate that video inside our app. So you will go ahead and click on this gear icon here, and then you can go ahead and watch this video. It's a very instructive video to show you how to position the offer on your website, whether it be on the product page, the Ajax slider cart, or on your cart page. So if you haven't done so already, you need to pause this video and give this video a watch. Okay, let's dive into it. So to create your first offer, you need to click on the create offer icon, and then you will get this page on the dashboard, and then you just click go to create offer. So this is the panel that you use to create your offers. So the first option is to add the offer name so you can identify it later. So I will just call this offer t-shirt, and then you have this one here where you add your product that you want to offer to your customers, and I'll be adding the red t-shirt. Just scroll down, click OK, just minimize that tab, and then you have this section which is the look and feel section. So it's basically you can change the text here. So I'll just say add I would say t-shirt. You can also change the text of the button. Go ahead and say add a t-shirt. And then you can also change the layout of your offer. So we have 4 different layouts. We have compact, stacked, carousel, and also flex. But I'll be just using compact for this example. There's no need to add the title in this example. You can go ahead and add the price by checking the price option. If you do have a product that you want to compare price with, you can add a compare price. If it was a variant, you could add a variant. This is not a variant product, so I won't be adding it. And I'll just go ahead and click the quantity selector so you can choose how many of the same product to add to cart. So let me just navigate to the third option, which is where do you want to display the offer. So this is where you select on what pages or the slider cart you want the offer to appear. So you can check the cart page on cart page option, and you can select between the Ajax cart and product page. So you can select either one of those. I'll just keep it on my product page. And then next, the fourth option is where you add your conditional logics, or what we call triggers. So I'll be just adding a simple rule to this one. The rule that I'm adding is that once a shorts is added to the cart, then my offer will appear to customers. So I'm just go ahead and add that rule. And you can choose to apply from the many rules that we have here. So you will definitely find something that matches your need when using this app. Right, and these are some other options that you can also explore. Here you have the advanced settings. So if I had a discount, I could add a discount code here, and our app would automatically add the discount to the item or to the entire cart. Or if we do not want it to add it automatically, we can just click this option here. And the third option is to send the user straight to the checkout page once the offer is accepted. The app also has A/B testing features, and you can also add a custom field when creating your offer. Then you can go here, publish your offer. So you just select publish, and you just select save. So once that is saved, I will just visit my website. I'll go ahead, check my catalogs. There are the 2 products. I'll go here. Then I'll add the product to my cart, which is the shorts. You have it there. So I'll just navigate to my cart page. So you'll see that the offer will go up, and there you have it. I've previously used the setup wizard tool to place my offer right above the cart items. So here you have it. So that's your first tutorial on how to set up your offer using the In Cart Upsell app.